Hello, and welcome to the How to Register for Classes tutorial presented by Academic Advising at CSUSB. This tutorial will give you step-by-step instructions on how to navigate to the search page, how to add a class to your shopping cart, and proceed with the checkout process. We will also provide tips on how to search for courses, how to swap and drop a class. Let's begin. Log into your My Coyote portal. From the landing page, you can choose your preferred view. For this video demonstration, we will use the Student Profiles page, also known as My Coyote 2.0. On the Student Profile page, click on Academics on the top blue bar and select the first option, Add Classes. Choose the term you wish to enroll in. After you read the reminder page, click OK on the bottom right. Here is your registration page. The registration page is split up into 3 sections. The first section will allow you to add classes by either entering the 5-digit class number or searching for classes by subject and course number, which is the commonly used method. The second section is your shopping cart. Classes will appear here after you've made your selections. The third section is your official class schedule. Classes will appear here after you've gone through the checkout process. Let's start with finding classes using the most commonly used method, which is clicking on Search. Here is your search page. You will use your pause report or My Cap to search for the classes that you would need to take for either general education or major/minor requirements. For this demonstration, we're going to search for Accounting 2110. Click on Search. To view the sections that offer different dates, times, and mode of instruction, click on the gray bar to expand all sections. After you review your options, click on the green Select button to choose your desired section. Review the details of the course, and if you wish to add this class to your cart, click on Next. After you click on Next, the course will be added to your shopping cart. To enroll into the course, proceed with the checkout process by clicking on the blue Continue button on the bottom of your screen. The next screen will ask if you are sure you want to register for these classes, and if so, click on Finish Enrolling. You will receive a green Success indicator above the courses that were successfully added to your class schedule. If you receive a red error indicator above the course, that means that the course was not added to your schedule. Errors could be due to various reasons such as time conflicts, registration holds, or missing prerequisites. Consult with your advisor if you encounter any registration errors. After you've added a class, you can click on Add Another Class and repeat these same steps to add additional courses. Another helpful way to search for general education classes is by using the Additional Search Criteria feature. Instead of searching for general education classes one by one, this feature allows you to pull all of the courses that meet a specific G category into one search. To get started, click on Additional Search Criteria on your Search for Classes page. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to the last 2 filters. You can search for G courses by using the Course Attribute filter. Click on the Select button and choose General Education. On the Course Attribute Value filter, select the G category you wish to search for. For this demonstration, we will search for critical thinking courses. Click on Search. Then the search will populate all of the critical thinking courses that are available for the semester. If you would like to drop a class, navigate to the Academics tab in your My Coyote student profile page and click on Drop Classes. Select the term you wish to drop a class from. Choose the desired course you wish to drop by clicking on the checkbox next to the course. Click on Drop Selected Classes. Confirm your selections on the next page by clicking on Finish Dropping. Once you click on Finish Dropping, the course will be removed from your class schedule. If you wish to swap a class, you can click on Swap from the navigation menu on the right side. Under Swap this class, select the course you wish to swap out of. Next, click on Search underneath the section that says With this class. Search for the course as previously instructed earlier in our video. Click on the green Select button next to the course you wish to swap into. Click on Next. Confirm your selections by reviewing the course you wish to swap into by clicking on Finish Swapping. That's it. You are ready to register for classes. We hope this video was helpful and informative. If you have any questions or wish to schedule an academic advising appointment, give us a call at 9095-377-345 or email us at advising@csusb.